Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to keep Microsoft Teams status always available in 2025. So make sure you watch this video till the end to learn everything about this. Now, the first step to do this is simply going to the search bar and searching for Microsoft Teams. Now, open Microsoft Teams and you will see this interface. Here, you will see that your profile icon is at the top right of the screen. Now, simply click on your profile icon. It will show up this drop-down menu. Here, you'll have 3-4 options like signing out, available, set status message and add another account. So, simply choose the option that says available. In your case, it could also be seen as busy, DND, be right back, appear away or appear offline. So, you can see any one of these options just right here. Simply click on that option just above the set status message and choose available. After you choose available, what you'll have to simply do is go to your Windows, then search for sleep and choose power sleep and battery settings under settings. Now, you can also navigate to this page by navigating to settings systems, and on this page, you're going to simply click on screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. Now, scroll down and choose never in all of these fields. Now, when you choose never in all of these fields, your status will always be showed as green. That means you will always appear online in Microsoft Teams. So that is a simple way through which you can keep Microsoft Teams status as always available. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.